This is the best example to explain the guttation. In winter months, dew drops or mist drops would settle on the leaf surfaces. This is supposed to be the best, especially on the grass blades consumption. And people, elderly advise us to walk without footwear on the grasses to moisten the foot with the dew drops, so that we keep ourselves very healthy and connected to the Mother Earth and nature. Now we can see the honeybee trying to venture out for the honey on sunflower flower. They are the best pollinators in the nature. Once they set the seeds, and they would be ready for the, you can see the two kinds of honeybees. One is sting with slightly bigger ones, and stingless also. Nature provides food for one and all. This is the best example to explain. They compete with each other. Actually, honey cultivation is one of the best to have in the nature. This is grown up very well, almost to 4.5 feet high from the floor level. Is going to give a big head, which really going to be wonderful to look at. The one smaller one, what you could see now, that's a stingless bee. The big one took the honey and went. This one is a stingless bee, highly medicinal. This is going to be very, very healthy. Usually they put beehive between the bamboo hollowness of the bamboo or tree trunks. Harvesting this honey is excellent medicinal value. Builds up immunity very well, and is the best source. I could see the design on the bud, very pretty to look at. Wow, not allowing me to take the photograph. This is almost set. The pollination is done, and is going to drop off the florets, and the seed setting would be next step. This is also ready for pollination. The florets are open for honeybees and other insects to pollinate. The different stages of sunflower are there. In the field of sunflower, one I would love, and chrysanthemums and mustard fields, I always love to take the photograph. And marigolds also. Vibrant colors will always be pleasing to look at and enjoy. Of course, everything is prettier in the nature, in any stage, any form of the plant. Now the seed setting is almost done. Could you see the florets dropping off? That shows the maturity level of the seed. These are the different stages of sunflowers, can be seen on open field. Here on our terrace garden, we are growing specifically for two different reasons: to make the guests and children aware of the nature. Second thought is the seeds on maturity would attract a lot of parakeets. It will be stunning view to see the parakeets sitting and enjoying the sunflower seeds. That's the reason which we are growing. Ours is a natural landscape which will be well established with the varied of flora could see tiny honeybees, butterflies moving all over. We have a lovely building facades. Building facades are the brilliant. This is a typical colonial architecture. You can see the monkey tops and dormers, and we can also could notice the predominant ventilators. The ventilators are excellent for cross ventilation. In summer months we should open out to expel the hot air. In winter months we should close to conserve the heat. That's a beautiful architecture, grandeur of the hotel, and matched with a lovely landscape. Thank you all for enjoying the morning. All these blue bells are morning glories, or ipomia we call so scientifically. We wanted to group them on the facade so that we get a lovely blooms almost every day of the year. And there is another learning opportunities. The sun is right above. All the flowers of sunflower are facing the sun. We get the best of the beautiful things when we are standing in front of sun and trying to capture. Nature is amazing at its best when where we wanted to enjoy the lovely ambience. One should be blessed and lucky enough to be in this lovely hotel. Especially working in this place enhances the health and longevity.